Experience driving perfection in the 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This four-door, six-passenger truck offers the features and options for which you've been searching. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, a rear step bumper, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, fully automatic headlights, heated door mirrors, a bedliner, and power windows. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 6 well-positioned speakers. Chevrolet also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. Come on in and take a test drive.